Hello students, I am going to uh, new topic today, that is 3D, three-dimensional geometry, chapter number 11, correct? In this chapter there are some formulae already I discussed, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, A square plus B square plus C square is not equal to 1 in general, correct? And L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. This is the relation between direction cosine and direction ratios, correct? Direction ratios you know, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, clear? And direction cosine you can find, you know about this formula, A upon root A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus minus B upon root A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to plus minus C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, clear? And you know that for any line, if ABC are the direction ratio of a line, then if ABC are direction ratio of a line, then you can say KA, KB and KC are also direction ratios, clear? So any two sets of direction ratio of a line are also proportional, and also for any line there are infinite many set of direction ratios, there are infinite many sets of direction ratios, clear? Now direction ratio of the line joining two points. Next point, direction ratios of a line joining two points, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, or you can write x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2 and z1 minus z2, clear? This is the second point. Next, direction cosine of, third point, direction cosine of x-axis 1 0 0, direction cosine of y-axis, that is 0 1 0, direction cosine of z-axis, that is 0 0 1, direction cosine. And fourth points, already you know, if direction cosine are proportional, then the points are collinear. Exercise 11.1, first question, if line makes angle 90 degree and 135 degree and gamma, that is 45 degree. Find its direction cosine. Direction cosine means lmn. L cos alpha, it means cos 90, and the cos 90 is 0. M, that is cos beta, and cos 135. Cos 135, you can break cos 180 minus 45. Cos 180 minus 45, it means minus cos 45 minus 1 by root 2. And m, n, that is cos gamma, cos 45. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Clear? Question number 4. Show that the points are collinear. A 2 3 4, B -1 -2 1 5 8 7. Show that the points are collinear. Now can you tell me the direction ratios of AB? The direction ratio of AB. You know that -1 -2, that is -3, -2 -3 -5, 1 -4 -3, and the direction ratio of BC 5 -1 6, 8 -2 10, 7 -1 6. Clear? Therefore direction ratio of AB and BC, therefore direction ratio of AB and BC are proportional. Therefore you can say ABC are collinear points. ABC are collinear points. Question 5th. Find the direction cosine of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are this. Triangle ABC, and the coordinate of A, that is 3 5 4 -4, and B -1 1 and 2, and C -5 -2. Firstly find the DR. Firstly find the direction ratios of AB. Direction ratio of AB, -1 -3 -4, 1 -5 -4, 2 -4, that is 6. Clear? If the direction ratio of AB then you can find the direction cosine. Direction cosine of AB formula, you can use this formula. L upon L is equal to A upon this. You can use this formula. L is equal to -4 upon square root of 16, square of this 16, and this is 36. Therefore when you simplify 16 plus 16 32, when you add here 32 root 68, that is -4 upon root 68. Root 68 you can break, that is 4 into root 17, that is 2 root 17. So therefore this will cut, and this is the direction cosine of the line AB. Similarly you can find M and N. and similarly you can find the direction cosine of AC and BC. Clear? This is the solution of question number 5. Next, the equation of line in space. Topic: equation of line in space. Equation of line in space. Clear? You know that in this topic we shall now study the vector and the Cartesian equation of the line. First point, the line passes through given point and has given direction, and the second point, it passes through two given point. The first point, equation of line through a given point, equation of a line through a given point, and parallel to a given vector, and parallel to given vector. B, parallel to given vector B. Therefore, the line passes through the point A, coordinate x1, y1, z1, and parallel to given vector B. Therefore, the equation vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times vector B. This is the vector equation of a line. This is the vector equation. Second, Cartesian form: x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. This is called Cartesian form. This is called Cartesian equation of the line. Clear? And also you can write like this: x by x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, z minus z1 upon N. This is also called Cartesian equation. Now you know that equation of line passing through 2 points. Equation of the line passing through 2 points. Second, equation of line passing through 2 points. Equation of line passing through 2 points. Formula: देखो वेक्टर R is equal to वेक्टर A plus lambda times वेक्टर B minus वेक्टर A, and the Cartesian form: x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This is the Cartesian form of the line passing through 2 points. of the line passing through 2 points. Clear? Now we solve some question of exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. Show that three lines with the direction cosine are mutually perpendicular. Question number 1. Show that three lines with the direction cosine mutually perpendicular. The condition for perpendicular, L1, L2, M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. Clear? And second formula, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. और third formula, you can write for B1 dot B2 is equal to 0. There are three formulae for proving the perpendicular. Right? So therefore, the direction cosine given 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 4 by 13, 12 by 13 and 3 by 13. These are the direction cosine of two lines. Firstly, prove that these two lines are perpendicular. This is L1, M1, N1, and this is L2, M2, N2. Multiply 12 4 ja 48 by 169, 12 3 ja 36 by 169, 3 4 ja 12 by 169. Therefore their sum is 0. It means you can say L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. Hence we can say lines are perpendicular. Similarly, you can prove second and third lines are perpendicular and third and first line are perpendicular. Clear? Second question. Show that the line passing through these 2 points. So that the line passing through the point 1, minus 1, 2 and 3, 4, minus 2 is perpendicular to this line. Whose coordinate 0, 3, 2 and 3, 5, 6. The name of these 2 points A, B, C, D. And we want to prove that these two lines are perpendicular. Firstly, tell me the direction ratio of AB. 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, that is 5, minus 2, that is minus 4. And the direction ratio of CD, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, and 6 minus 2, 4. And condition you know, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to what? 2 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus minus 4 into 4. You know that 6 plus 10 minus 16, that is 0. if the product of direction ratios, the sum of the product of direction ratios is equal to 0, then you can say the lines are perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to CD. AB is perpendicular to CD. Okay. Thank you, students.